Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Silvercrest Bluetooth bathroom speaker wireless music playback. Bluetooth IPX6 LED display, we can see 3 years warranty from lithium polymer technology inside. You can charge that and you can see how it looks in first and some specs from the other side. Battery, it is 1200 milliamps. It is about 6.5 hours of music, with a low battery indicator, with a suction cap for easy mounting, USB to micro USB charging cable, 120 meters approximately. We have a Bluetooth wireless technology 4.2. Wireless technology is AVRCP. Control key audio function via mobile phone. Output power 3 watt. Range is about 10 meters. Oh, everything's nice. And let's open to see what we have inside. You can see the cable. It's quite long. And some manual inside. And if you want to reach, of course, it's your choice, but stay with me and we're gonna find out all about that. You can see this suction cup. It's quite good into the surface of the tile. It will be better, of course, or in the surface of a glass. Nice. Of course, you can put it permanently and you can take it out, slide it, and it will go all the way out. Now, for charging, we got the power input. Connected to my power bank. Now we have a charging indicator, you can see here. It's nice. Well, we can push it and turn it on. You can see the sound. It says it's 6:37. I'll connect it with my smartphone. Maybe it will automatically change and the time. There we are. Searching SBL3C4 is the model. Waiting for the sound. Yeah, it's been connected. We can see it's fully charged. We can take that out. Now, for setting up the clock, we need to push the M button. Then push this button, the play pause, to confirm. It goes to the minute, and again setting up the minute and confirm again. That was the clock. Setting up the alarm, we are in the clock mode, pressing and hold the play pause. Now we can see it's on, and then we can push it and off, and again on, and then pushing the pause and play to set. And we can put the time, the alarm. Very easy. Let's say 12 o'clock, and set again, and again set. And volume. You can change the volume. Nice, and confirm. Next we got the M button. It is on the Bluetooth mode, and then it will connect to my smartphone. We can see the SBL3C4. Again, if you are going to push the M button, it will go to the FM radio. And then if I push the up and down volume, we can see we can increase and decrease the volume. Then if I push the play pause button, it will automatically search for the next station. And then if I push it again, the M, it will go off. Then push it again and it will go to the Bluetooth mode. And let's hear some music from the Bluetooth mode. it's a great Bluetooth for your bathroom. Yeah, it will do the job. And maybe you can throw some water. Well, let's find out together if I'm going to throw some water. Is it going to work? Well, let's find out. Well guys, here we are into the bathroom. You can see how I have been mounted to the tile. No problem. Well, and here's some water. Yeah. With no problem, it's playing. Oh, sorry about that. Maybe I wash it more. Well, with no problem, it's working. Yeah, take that. Thumbs up. And it sounds very nice. Very loud, clear sound it comes out, a great quality of sound. The bass is very strong, very loud. Well guys, if you need something like that to your bathroom, well, why not just buy it? It costs only 12 euros and it definitely will do the job. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. You can see it can turn off, but the music is going on. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.